Hello and welcome back to Bradley Penny Aviation. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing this Virgin Atlantic Boeing 747-400 in the Falcon livery, made by Phoenix and 1:400 scale. Let's get started. The aircraft is packed away inside of this stunning Phoenix box. The aircraft type and airline logo are all on the front of the box. There is also a detailed image of the aircraft itself, as well as a galaxy background to coincide with the Star Wars theme, shown on the front and sides of the box. On the back of the box, there is an image of the Millennium Falcon, situated at one of the many locations in the Star Wars saga. It is very easy to open up the box. As I always mention in my unboxing videos, to some collectors the box is just as important as the model itself. The aircraft was packaged reasonably well, but I've seen better. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, here it is. G-VLIP is the registration of the model in front of us now. It is a 19-year-old Boeing 747-400, currently owned by Virgin Atlantic. It is sadly retired and awaiting its final dismantlement. It was painted in the Falcon livery back in September of 2019. The aircraft is known as the Falcon. It showcases the iconic Millennium Falcon, and it's a part of Virgin Atlantic and Virgin Holidays' celebration of the new area at Walt Disney Resort in Florida that opened in August of 2019. The Boeing 747 was wrapped in a 44-metre long decal that took 3 weeks to print. The film used to wrap the aircraft could cover 4 tennis courts, including the centre court at Wimbledon Arena. Overall, I'm incredibly happy with my model. Phoenix really outdid themselves with this one. I would highly recommend you'd use it for your model airport. If you would like to purchase this model, I will leave a link in the description down below. I will warn you, you best be quick when buying this model as it is nearly sold out. If you have enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe for more weekly content just like this. That's all from me. Take care and stay safe.